Alright guys, and welcome to today's video. So over here guys, on this video we are going to be talking about how you can be able to complete the wallet connect quest 4. All right, so we have actually done the first quest, the second quest, the third quest, and right now it is time for us to complete the quest 4 of this wallet connect airdrop. So if you haven't done it yet, you still have a lot of time. Right now, pay close attention to the video. Let me explain to you guys what you need to do right now in order for you to be able to complete it from quest 1 till this quest 4 if you haven't done quest 1, quest 2, and quest 3. But if you have done quest 1, quest 2, quest 3, right now pay close attention to this video. Let me also show you how you can be able to complete the quest 4. It is very simple, and we are using metamask wallet for this airdrop. We have been participating on it, and right now you need to pay close attention and take the necessary actions. So the first thing that you actually need to do right now is simply go ahead and of course copy the link from the video description below. Check out the link on the video description to actually get started with this airdrop. And once you have copied the link from the video description, you need to head over here. Okay, you come over here right now to your metamask wallet. Right now what you need to do from here, simply go ahead and click on this button right here. You click on it. This is going to be taking you to the browser section of your metamask. You go ahead and of course come over here to the search bar. You go ahead and then paste the link that you have copied from the comment section. Okay, right now you go ahead and of course search for it. So this is going to be taking you to the website where you are going to be completing all the necessary quests that are involved for you to qualify for this airdrop. So looking over here right now, as always, you can see this is live right now, and we actually started this on January 20th. The airdrop is to end on April 14th. All right, so right now guys, you can see what we need to do from here is to simply go ahead and of course this is the quest 1. Okay, this is the quest 1, quest 2, quest 3. Right now we are about to complete this quest 4 right now on this video. So in case you have been wondering how you can be able to complete the quest 1, quest 2, and quest 3, we have made everything very easy. Coming over here to our Telegram, once you just come to this post right here, you simply click over here guys on this message that I tagged. It will take you to the quest 3, and it will give you all the necessary answer that you need to succeed. When you click over here right now, it will take you to quest 2, where all your necessary answers are going to be provided to you. You simply need to use it and pass the quest 2. Okay, when you click over here as well, it's going to be taking you to quest 1 where all the details are provided as well. Okay, so what you need to do from here is simply come back right now to your metamask wallet. You go ahead and click on this quest 4 right here. You can see about 17,000 persons have completed this quest. Right now it is our turn to complete it. All right, you go ahead and of course click on it, and once you click on it, you can see explore wallet connect ecosystem. And right now guys, remember, all that's going to be needed for you to complete all this quest has already been provided on our Telegram channel, and this is it right here. Okay, these are the answers. You can see the quiz answers have been provided, and every other thing are very simple. Okay, you come back right now to your metamask wallet, and what you need to do, simply click on start quest right here. You click on start quest. Once you click on start quest right now, it's very easy. They are going to be asking you a couple of questions. All you need to do is simply scroll. Okay, you keep on clicking this until you reach to the extreme. Right now I think we are now done with the first one. You simply need to go and of course open wallet connect blog. You go ahead and of course click on it, and this will simply a kind of take you to another website where you need to read up one or two things right here. And once you are done, then you are going to be going back, and once you get back to the metamask wallet, then you are proceeding to the next step immediately. You can see right now this button has appeared right here, continue. You click on it, and over here guys, you can see time for a quiz. Right now guys, you go ahead and click on continue again, and over here they are going to be asking you a couple of questions. Remember, all the answers are already provided right here on our Telegram channel. You can go ahead and use the answers right here to proceed. Okay, so the first answer is B. You go ahead and select B, continue. Second one is C, you select C, continue. Third one is B as well, you continue. Fourth one is C as well, you continue. Then this one right here is B as well, you continue. And finally B again. So you can see how easy we have made it. So right now guys, we are now done with the third step. Right now what we need to do is simply subscribe to YouTube. So that's what we're going to be doing right now. So what you need to do is simply click on open YouTube. Okay, this is going to be taking you to the YouTube, whereby you are going to need to subscribe to their YouTube channel by clicking on the subscription button to subscribe to them. And after that guys, you need to go back to your metamask and of course click on verify. And once you click on verify, it's going to be loading up right now, and right now it's time for us to actually claim the proof that we have actually participated on this airdrop. So allow it to load up, and once it is done loading, we are going to proceed into the next step immediately. Okay, and right now guys, you can see this is where we need to claim our reward. And looking over here right now, you can see we are going to be claiming 100 XP plus 25 XP right now. What you need to do from here is simply go ahead and of course click on switch to OP mainnet. Okay, once click on switch to OP mainnet, it's going to be loading up real quick, and you can see you can still have the you can see it's still telling you to switch to OP mainnet. What you need to do from here, simply go ahead and click on these three dots. You click on these three dots, they need to power this off. You click on this green icon like this, and once you've powered it off, then everything is going back to normal. And right now guys, you need to click on switch to OP mainnet again. And over here guys, you can see it has now changed to mint coup to claim. And right now guys, we need to simply go ahead and click on mint coup to claim. And once you click on it, it's going to be popping up a transaction for you to approve. And once you approve the transaction, which is going to be costing you something very, very minimal, like you can see 0.12, not even up to 2 cents, then you go ahead and of course click on confirm. Remember, this is on base networks, meaning that you need base Ethereum before you can be able to do this. All right, but it's very, very minimal. You can see not even up to $0.5. Okay, you click on continue right now to actually mint this cube, and once you have mint this cube, it is now going to be serving as your evidence for completing this number 4 task. And right now guys, you can see completed, and that's how simple it is guys. So this is how you complete the quest 4 on the Wallet Connect airdrop. And once you have gotten to this point where it says quest completed, then congratulations, because you just completed the whole quest. And looking over here right now, you can see we still need one more cube. Okay, we still need one more cube before we finally round up on this airdrop. So it's very, very simple, and this is all you need to know right now concerning this airdrop. If you have any question, let me know on the comment section, and I'll be there to help you and resolve it as soon as possible. So once you have gotten to this extent, then congratulations, because you have just qualified for this airdrop. Also remember that on this channel, we help you do a lot of things about crypto. Like we help you resolve most of your crypto related problem. We provide you guys the guidelines that is going to be helping you participate on different types of airdrop, and we also give you guys free Tone Coin for interacting with our channel. So if you want to be joining the Tone Coin giveaway, simply make sure that you have subscribed, like this video you're watching right now, and also share this video. Most importantly, drop a very nice comment on the comment section, because from there is where we actually choose our winners. Thank you for watching, and I'll talk to you guys on my next video that's going to be dropping very, very soon. Peace out, and of course, do have a lovely day.